Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Swiss chard. First, proper preparation is key. Begin by washing your chard thoroughly under cool water to remove any soil. Next, separate the vibrant stems from the broad leaves. Since stems are firmer, chop them into small pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Then, coarsely chop the leaves into 1-inch or 2-inch ribbons. This separation ensures even cooking. Sautéing is a popular and quick method for cooking Swiss chard. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped chard stems first, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, introduce minced garlic and the chopped chard leaves. Continue to sauté for another 2 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the leaves are beautifully wilted and the stems are crisp tender. Beyond sautéing, Swiss chard is incredibly versatile. You can steam the leaves for just 1 to 2 minutes and the stems for 3 to 4 minutes for a lighter option. Braising in a flavorful broth yields a wonderfully tender result. For a different texture, roast the stems for approximately 10 minutes before adding the leaves until they become crisp. Chard also makes a fantastic addition to hearty soups, stews, and casseroles. Swiss chard's earthy flavor shines with the right companions. Classic pairings include garlic, a good quality olive oil, and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For added texture and richness, try incorporating toasted nuts like walnuts or pine nuts. Cheeses such as salty Parmesan, tangy feta, or creamy goat cheese also complement it beautifully. Finally, a touch of acidity, like balsamic vinegar, can truly elevate the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.